In this quick video, I'm going to go over how to delete a seller lead from our database so that it does not get mailed on a subsequent mailing. What we want to do, and we're going to do this for a lead that either comes back, maybe we get a postcard returned because it's undeliverable, or they call us back and they tell us that either the property is sold or it's just not for sale and they're never going to sell it. So what we want to do is go into our mail space here, the mail space in our Podio, and down over here in this corner we're going to log into our marketing center, our mail center. And from here we want to go to our lists and look under our contacts. And we want to select the appropriate list for the name that you're looking for. For this example, I'm going to look in this particular list. I see 3 options here. We're going to go ahead and hit edit. And there are 2 names that I'm looking for. One is Avishai. Okay. So to make it easier to find them, I'm going to sort them by recipient, so they should come up alphabetical. And the sometimes it takes a little bit of time for that to come up, but it starts off with the numbered recipients and then the names, because sometimes they're the recipient is a trust or LLC, and it may just have the address as the name of the trust or LLC. So AVI, I'm going to scroll down. And getting close here. Here we go. Avishai Amedi. So we're going to click on that one. The second one is David. I don't know how to pronounce that last name, but we'll find out here in a second. Let's go down to the D's. We'll find it. And David S. S-H. Here he is, Schmaskovitz. I think that's how you say it. We're going to select that one as well. So once we've gone through and found the ones that we're looking for, we're going to go back up to the top and we're going to click on delete selected addresses right here. Just want to be careful. We don't want to delete the entire list. That would be a bad thing. So click the delete selected addresses, and if it says here, do you want us to delete them? We're going to click OK, and that's it. At that point, they're going to be out of the database. When we do a subsequent mailing, they will no longer be mailed.